Can I still use my TracFone if it's not replaced?
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be addressing a frequently asked question. Can I still use my TracFone if it's not replaced? TracFone is a popular prepaid mobile service, but there might be times when replacement is suggested or even required. Let's dive into the details to provide you with a clear answer.
What does replacement mean in context of TracFone?
When we talk about replacing a TracFone, we're often referring to either upgrading the physical device or updating the SIM card due to network upgrades. It's crucial to understand the difference between these two instances.
What if I don't replace my physical TracFone device?
TracFone devices, like all mobile phones, may become outdated over time. This could mean they stop receiving software updates, or they can't support newer, more resource-intensive applications. If you choose not to replace or upgrade your physical device, you can still use it as long as it's functional and can connect to TracFone's network. However, certain features or apps may not work optimally or at all on older devices.
What happens if I don't replace my TracFone SIM card?
In the event of a network upgrade, TracFone might ask you to replace your SIM card. If you choose not to do so, the consequences can be more severe than not replacing your device. As networks advance, older technology is often phased out. If you're using an outdated SIM card and TracFone discontinues support for that technology, you may lose the ability to make calls, send text messages, or use data. To wrap up, while you may continue using your TracFone device without replacement, it's crucial to stay updated to ensure optimal performance and uninterrupted service. If you don't replace your SIM card following a network upgrade, you risk losing connectivity. We hope this video clarifies your concerns about TracFone replacement. Remember, staying updated not only provides a smoother experience but also ensures you can use all of your device's features to their fullest extent. Stay connected, stay updated.